Greetings, potential job seekers. If you're equipped with the skills of a certified maintenance engineer, you've reached the perfect destination. Our esteemed client, Ohorongo Cement, situated close to Ohorongo in the northern region of Namibia, is actively in search of a well-qualified candidate to take up this crucial position. For a deeper understanding of the details surrounding this exciting employment opportunity and a convenient way to submit your application, visit our user-friendly platform at jobopportunities.net. To access the link, which can be found considerately provided in the video description below. Get ready to be inspired and motivated as you engross yourself in the captivating content presented on Tara Noah's channel. And for an even more profound journey into this enchanting realm, stay tuned for Alicia.
Hello, valued viewers. We're absolutely delighted to welcome you to our channel, a centralized and all-encompassing hub dedicated to nurturing your professional journey. If you're on the lookout for exciting career opportunities, your search concludes right here. We offer a comprehensive solution for all your needs. Whether you're seeking expert guidance to craft the perfect resume or aiming to enhance your interview skills, rest assured, we cover every aspect of your journey. Furthermore, our vast repository is brimming with motivational content to provide that much-needed spark of inspiration. To stay updated on the latest job openings and gain invaluable career insights, we kindly request your support. Show your appreciation by giving us a thumbs up, sharing our content, and subscribing to our channel. By sharing our content with your circle, you'll also be empowering them to pursue their highest career aspirations. Sending you an abundance of positivity and uplifting vibes from the picturesque town of Swakopmund. Remember, triumph is well within your grasp, and we're here to offer unwavering support whenever you need it. Until we meet again, take care and stay motivated.